You are watching Travel World Online.
News highlights of the day. STB to organize multi-city B2B roadshow in India next month. HRAWI organizes FoSTac program in Nagpur. Air India Express launches biggest ever splash sale. TIA launches Coffee and Connect series from Jaipur, Rajasthan. Postcard Travel Club joins hands with Rare India to champion conscious luxury travel. Aman Shaikh appointed as Corporate Deputy General Manager Operations at 7 Apple Hotels. News in details. Singapore Tourism Board, STB, is set to organize a multi-city B2B roadshow in Chennai, Hyderabad, Kolkata and Ahmedabad this July. Titled Singapore Tourism Board Roadshow 2024. Holidays Made in Singapore. The event features 50 exhibitors representing hotels, attractions, airline, cruise lines and destination management companies. The Hotel and Restaurant Association, Western India, HRAWI recently conducted an extensive food safety supervisor training in advanced catering, FoSTac, program, in partnership with the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, FSSAI. Air India Express has launched its biggest ever splash sale on the airline's website, airindiaexpress.com, the Air India Express mobile app, and other major booking channels. For bookings made till 28th June for travel until 30th September 2024, Express Light fares start at 883 rupees for members booking on airindiaexpress.com and the Air India Express mobile app, while Express Value fares start at 1096 rupees on other booking channels.
I think it's a brilliant idea. My compliments to you, Anil. The idea of putting together a digital marketplace along with information is outstanding. And I think with a little bit of care and caution, and if we do it well, this can be a big game changer.
Download Travel Business app. Leading by example and doing away with the conventional member meetings, Coffee and Connect by Tourism India Alliance, TIA, was recently launched in Jaipur for its members and special invitees. Postcard Travel Club, an inclusive community of conscious luxury travelers, travel designers, storytellers, and boutique properties that collectively advance responsible tourism. Aman Shaikh has been appointed as the Corporate Deputy General Manager Operations at 7 Apple Hotels. Aman brings a wealth of experience and a proven track record in hotel management and operations, making him a valuable addition to the 7 Apple Hotels executive team.
You are watching Travel World Online.